Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a gas cap on a 2004 C5 Corvette. First thing you want to do is open your center console and release the fuel door by pressing the fuel door button. You are going to need a fastener or clip removal tool so you can remove the clip that is attached to the tether from the fuel door. I'll post a link for the gas cap and tool in the description. You can now take off your old fuel cap and remove it. Mine was just old and it kept spinning. It wouldn't get tight anymore. As you can see, the rubber was no longer good. As always with new parts, you want to compare your new part to the old part. Make sure that they match. Go ahead and put your new fuel cap in. Turn it until it clicks. If you want to do a couple tries, go ahead. Get your clip, put it in the hole where you remove the old clip from, and go ahead and close the fuel door. You're done.